Here's an update on the 03999S that was running on one cylinder. Finally felt the motivation to come out here and work on it. I've been pretty busy and just hadn't gotten around to it. But I basically just decided to swap the throttle bodies, injectors, and the fuel lines and all the electrical connections and all. Just that was the easiest, cleanest thing to do. It was plug and play for the most part. The only difference was on the 03 model, the fuel lines are just slipped over the fittings and held on with hose clamps. Whereas the newer models, this particular setup came off of an 05. The newer models have quick connects, and I'm trying to find one so I can show you. Here it is. You can see it just got an O-ring, just pops on. I cut the fuel lines as close to the fittings as I could, and still have plenty of slack. I'll crank it up and show you how good it's running. This bike has 7,600 miles on it. So, as you can see, I still need to put the airbox lid on. It shouldn't be too much trouble, and put the air filters back in. I've got all the body work, the original body work. I'm going to put that back on. There's the mono tail there. Always been a huge fan of that look. Plans are to just put it all back together and ride it, just take it easy on it, change the oil, put new tires on it, and start researching doing the maintenance that's needed at this point. I know it needs belts because of the age of them. They actually look good. I slipped these covers off a while back and took a look. The belts look great, but just they're pretty old, so I'm gonna figure out how to change those out and do them myself, hopefully, and ride this thing, see what it's like. All right, I'll as soon as I have anything worth posting, I'll do it. Bye.